Hello guys, today is a wonderful day, but actually outside is big rainy here, very heavy. Okay, today I wanted to introduce this luxury fingerprint door lock with camera and indoor with the screen. Okay, can you see like this? Okay, my hand wave from the outside. The device basically with the fingerprint password card and material key. Okay, and support work with Tuya Smart. The device I am already configured with Tuya Smart Wi-Fi yet, so we ring the doorbell. Ring the doorbell. Okay.
Requesting remote unlocking.
So I will quickly to receive a live picture upload to the application page. So be a little patient because it's pairing with the Wi-Fi. So be a patient. Okay, I wave my hand from outside. Okay, sometimes if this happen, we just to flash the picture. Okay, to get the picture upload to the okay, something like this. We unlock. We can try again. Maybe try again.
Locked.
Ring the doorbell. Okay.
Requesting remote unlocking.
Okay. Wave my hands. Maybe my office Wi-Fi is not so strong, so take a little times. Okay. Okay. Fresh. Okay. Unlock. Okay. Another typical function is the anti-lock button from the indoor. So how to use this feature? When we enable just the upward, okay, enable anti-lock button. The outside usually we see a device with admin and normal user. So when we enable this feature, the anti-lock button, outside only the admin can access. The normal user cannot access. For example, my 147 is for the normal user. Let me try. Okay.
Locked.
You see, cannot access. But 258 is the admin. Okay, we check.
Unlock.
Unlock.
Lock.
Lift for lock. Okay.
Unlock.
So the device is used this kind of 50-50 multis. The plate usually is 22 plus 160, 22 and 160. But this the length can be different dimensions. The longest is 240. So when you make order, we be to clear the length for the multis. Okay. The door thickness usually is from 35 to 55, something like this. 35 to 55 for the door thickness. The color at the moment only the black color. So hope you guys can like it. Thank you. If you have more questions, just contact me, Mary. Okay.